Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you how to remove your blow-off valve tubes and vent your 3.5 EcoBoost out of the Explorer, Flex, or Taurus show, and show you how to blow off the atmosphere. So all you're going to do is you're going to have to remove these clips from your intake tube and your blow-off valve, and then there's also another one in the rear. If you look closely back here, right there, and as you can see, there's a tube, and it goes to the intake tube right over here. What you're going to need to do this is some type of hose clamp tube tool, and you're going to need a 1-inch black cap. I use this from I bought this from Amazon. It's for chairs, so all you got to do is grab a 1-inch chair cap. That's you're going to stick on top of the intake right there to cap it off, and then a hose clamp to tighten it on there just in case it falls off. Alright, so once you get the first part of the tube off, you have to get this on the second part of the tube right there. The tool just requires you to squeeze it to pop the tube, and then you just need to wiggle her up until she's free. You can release the tool and pull the tube out of there. So now what's going to happen is when you accelerate and let off the gas, your blow-off valve is going to release the turbo pressure right here. And that's going to blow all the air out of this and not back into your intake. So you're going to get a great sounding turbo release noise. But the only caveat is you need this intake tube right here to be covered up. And that's where we come in with this 1-inch black chair cap. So what you're going to do is just take that, stick it on there, push hard, and once it's on there, all you gotta do is tighten it up, and your intake will be capped off, and you will have blow-off valve to act. So once everything's buttoned up and you complete the second one over there, you can now hear your turbo noise.